Hello guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today we're gonna solve the fysikopgave.
Hello.
We're gonna solve this opgave. It says gul lys fra en såkaldt natriumlampesens bla bla bla. 300 spalter per millimeter.
Per millimeter.
So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna say we have spalter. 300.
Nu er der god
We have på millimeter. 1. Det vil sige
Okay, hvad?
base. Vores D er lige med 1 divideret med 300.
Sweet, man.
That seems nice.
Okay.
Vi har en vinkel til 8,6. Og så kan vi derefter regne ud med formlen, der hedder n gange
Okay.
lambda.
Ja,
For hulkamera.
man kan også gøre sådan her.
Er der også et
Gør sådan her. Shift C. Fuck dig. Shift C.
gange
Øj.
bølgelængden.
The wavelengths.
Wavelength er lige med is equal
To the
d times c to the v.
Det er
Exactly.
close.
And we create onto, we have the n already.
Yes, we have.
N equals 5. And we divide by n. Like so.
The only thing you doesn't have is the lambda.
Man skal holde andet ind. Nå, det er rigtigt. Nå, okay.
That was amazing. You just
So we're back.
Okay, så vi
We're
skal
back, guys.
Det er god FPS. Fint nok. Det er fint at du.
So if we take this, put in the tal, we say d, which is 1 over 3000 times sinus to the 58.6 degrees
Exactly.
times divide by n.
Jeg ved ikke om vi tager en flipmap. Den er også den
millimeter.
bedste, og den er heller ikke.
Put this into the Google. We don't get a thing because n is 5.
Exactly.
And this gives us this.
That is correctly read,
And we
but you
get-
have to get it in the meters.
And we get this, and we can go up here and see,
Det kan være den preloader.
is this yellow?
Der er også en bug.
Yes. Thank you guys for watching. See you next video. Subscribe to the channel, comment below. See you guys.
Fuck you guys.